Omni traders from across the globe. Welcome, 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 YouTube fans. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is the 2006th installment of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. How are you, kids? So this video coming at you on a Monday night for trading, Tuesday, October 8th, 2019. What's on the board? Sorry to say, I think we're turning again. The Omni is starting to show me a possible turn back down in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. I've got a red Omni and ES, Russell, Dow. We had a green Omni for the last few days. In fact, how about a round of applause for this insanity Omni's been doing for us? It gave us the crack right before it came. We got short for that. It told us exactly what day we'd head back up. And now it's telling us, take the elevator ride back down again, possibly. So I'm here to tell you, we are still not in love with the upside. We're not falling in love with the upside yet. Let me just be clear about everything here. We think we're starting to turn again, and the possible downturn comes for Tuesday. That's ES, NASDAQ, Russell. We are not falling in love with the upside. If we rally, we sell the rallies until further notice. However, I want to be clear, that does not negate my year-end targets. They are valid. We expect to go up there before the year is over. We're short-term traders. Listen, when you're a short-term trader, meaning someone who's out by the end of each day, December 31st might as well be 8,000 light trading years away. You know what I'm saying? It's like 8,000 trading years from now. For now, these targets are just fine for the end of the year. For top day, meaning trading Tuesday night to Monday night to Tuesday, we've got a red Omni to start things off. We are not going to fall in love with the upside. Please know this is a very risky game. There's a lot of risk involved. If you do not use stops, and I'm talking protective stops, buy or sell stops. If you're in a position, put your stops in, put them in first. Know that you can lose way more money than you have in your own trading account. This is not for everybody, all right? Do not trade alone. Don't trade alone. Hang out with me at livewithoscar.com in my live trading room, and I'll help to keep guiding you using the Omni through these rough and tumble markets. So, do me a favor, cats, if you don't mind, please stop what you're doing right now. Subscribe. I'll wait. I'm not going anywhere. Subscribe to my videos, otherwise I'm quitting. Right now, we're not finishing the video. That's it. Have you subscribed? I don't see you clicking the button. All right. After you subscribe, then hit the alert button. I'm waiting. Subscribe to the alert. And then after that, we'll continue with the video. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you click that alert button. And like and share these videos, man. Let's get them around the internet. Now, one last thing. If you want to come out to my Omni Camp, there is one Omni Camp left for the year. There are only 4 seats that still remain open. 4 seats left. You should act now because the price of Omni Camp will double starting January. There's one Omni Camp left. It's December 5th. It's 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. If you want to come out and learn the Omni from me, this is your chance. You will absolutely pay me dearly if you're coming out to see me next year. It's still inexpensive, but it'll be my value. Right now, I am extremely undervalued with the price of these camps, but I'm going to keep it that way through December. You want to be here for December 5th? I will teach you the Omni personally, but time's starting to tick. Call me, 702-629-4755, or come to livewithoscar.com, hang out with me in my live trading room, and let me know you'd like to attend camp. 4 seats left. Act now. Prices will go much higher. This is an all-inclusive vacation, if you will, where you will learn a great deal about markets, where they've come from, where they're going, and how to use the Omni every day for yourselves. Meals are included, housing is included, drink is included, and a new laptop coming your way, programmed with the Omni by me. All inclusive. Call me. 4 tickets left. 702-629-4755. That's Omni Camp December 5th. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts.
Seeing is believing. That's what most people believe. I'm more skeptical than that. Doing is believing. Okay? I came here 3 days of training, and after 3 days I chopped the chart, I made a plan, and you know, it was on a Sunday yesterday. Today we're doing something else, and guess what? Every prediction that I made was correct. It works They don't say it works. I saw it work. He makes a prediction, and guess what? It works.
Okay, traders, E-mini S&P, you've seen this chart before. I showed you we had the shoulder, head, shoulder, Oscarism known as the failed head test, and we would go down from there, and basically the day it started to go down, we got short for it. Omni kept us shorting all the way down, and then on this day, Omni decided that we should start buying, and Omni's let us buy right up until now. Top day, Monday night for Trading Tuesday, we've run into the Omni average. And the Omni itself, which is not the Omni average, is starting to point down again. So I have to say for now, remains intact, and maybe we will continue to drop from this head and shoulders. I know for trading on Tuesday, I'm going to be looking to sell a rally. Then you've got NASDAQ, same exact thing, and same thing happened here. NASDAQ only ran up just enough to hit the Omni and came back and settled under it. I think it's probably going to back off a little bit. Enough to get a day trade out of it. I don't know where it'll close tomorrow, but I'm going to get short and see if it dips a little. Then you've got this. This is almost a chart masterpiece, kids. Look at this one. Dow Jones Transportation Average, deemed the leader of U.S. indices. Shoulder, head test, failure. Second head test, failure. Now watch. You get under the 200 ball moving average, and what happens? The death cross takes place. That's when the 50 ball moving average drops below the 200, which generally tells you there is more downside coming. It doesn't always work perfectly because you had a golden cross here, and the golden cross did not produce a rally until after about a week or so. The death cross, though, the downside usually comes easier. So if that death cross is being watched by the public, you might get them to react to it. I'm not such a huge fan of it, but it is what it is. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Russell, speaking of the death cross, had it 5 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Death cross. So the Grim Reaper came 5 days ago, and Russell sure did break, and this could certainly be a bear flag right here, right? Flagpole, a little very quick upward flag. So you might have a flag here. You certainly have a death cross there. You've got a red Omni. That's good enough for me to say let's take the downside. Then you've got a little bit longer term, the weekly. Remember, this all started when we caught this weekly double top. And we were very successful in getting short up there as well. Thank the Lord, we were able to capture some of that move. But you're still reeling from the double top on the weekly. And if you look at the transportation average, you've got the same thing. You are still reeling from the second double top here. So for now, at least I'm going to follow my signal. I never ever argue with the Omni. It wants me to start off the day by selling, get short, let it drop, get out of the way, and sidestep it, and that will be our plan. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Traders, you've seen the charts, and you've got the plan. Get short at the right spot, let it come down, take the profit, sidestep, do nothing. That's the plan for trading on Tuesday, starting off with the Omni Arrow. If you'd like to learn this arrow for yourselves, don't forget OmniCamp. You should take advantage. Prices are doubling in January. Make sure you call me. Don't miss out. Act now. That's it for me. I want to go back downstairs and see where markets are. It's only Monday night. We've got a long way to go. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. Believe me, that's not easy. But try this. It's something that I did to myself many, many years ago. My stop's in. Stop being so worried. Put your stop in. Don't be so emotional, Oscar. Oscar, your stop's in. Well, you know what? Many years later, I'm not a kid anymore. And I know that's exactly right. My stop is in. There's no reason to get emotional. Your stop is there. Put your stops in first. Put your trade on. Plan your trade. Trade your plan. And then say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, meet me in my trading room at livewithoscar.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.